Hey guys, back at the river. It's been a pretty rough August. I'm just checking it out. Very low. Wow, there's a lot of bugs. I'm seeing a lot of something over there. Can't see what it is because I'm not close enough, but it's gonna be interesting. It looked like a mayfly. Just gonna put some kind of tangled somehow already. There we go. Crap, I'm gonna be stuck in this thing here. So I've got a, this morning I've got a Pat's rubber legs on the bottom. It's got a bead head. And I've got a micro chenille caddis. Maybe I can go under it. There we go. Oh, shoot. Fish just hit it. And I was looking down at my stupid line. Why does that always happen to me? Something just attacked it. If it was a trout, because I wasn't paying attention or looking. So I think because the water's so low, I'm actually gonna try a new spot up there. Actually down there it looks not terrible, but let's see here. I can get over. Yep. Switching flies. Got a pretty flashy. Whoa. Got a fish. Oh, and I lost him. Oh my gosh, that was the first cast and it was a good fish. Wow. Man, I blew it again on the hook set. Oh, this is killing me. Have to be trout, because if it was a chub it would have got off immediately. Oh, what? No, I can't lose this fly. Oh man. Oh, I think I got it. Thank you. Oh, I got a big fish. And I have no drag. I don't know if it's a trout. Holy crap. Oh, it is a trout. I'm gonna try to get downstream of it. I have literally no drag, so my reel doesn't work. Oh, it's a nice trout too. Really nice trout. Oh yes, all right, finally, after forever. Beautiful fish, look at that. Look at those fins.